How can you turn an enormous data set into a mass personalisation campaign that has really transformational results on a business? In 2016, the airline EasyJet turned 20, and they said to their agency, well, we want to celebrate the fact that we've been around for 20 years. The agency didn't say, gosh, that doesn't sound interesting. They said, have you got any data? And EasyJet said, yeah, sure, we've been around for the last 20 years. We're required by the Civil Aviation Authority to keep data on every flight that we sell, on every passenger that we have. And they said, great, can we see the data? And they showed them the data. What that led to was a personalised campaign to 12.5 million EasyJet customers in 27 countries all around the European Union, 23 different languages. What each one of those individual emails said was, hi Sam, we've been flying together for the past 16 years. Your first trip was to Alicante. We've flown 96,000 kilometers together. You always choose one of the first 3 rows in which to sit. And where are we going to go next? What they took was an enormous data set of every single transaction, every single record, and they turned that into a personalised, data-driven story. What that led to for EasyJet was an email campaign to 12.5 million customers that was opened twice as often as normal, but it led to a 14-fold increase in sales compared to the previous year's emails. Because what they did was they combined narrative and numbers to tell the personal journey that 12.5 million people had had with EasyJet. Not a general story, but a very focused personal journey.